Hello everyone. So I've still been using the castor oil, but now I have incorporated these. This is a castor oil pack, so let me tell you how I use it. And thank you so much for eCoil for sponsoring this video. Okay, so what you do is you take this pack. On this side, this side is cotton. You take some castor oil, you put it on here, and then you place it on various body parts. Like for this one, this particular one, I will put this on my shoulder, and I will let this stay on my shoulder for like 45 minutes to an hour. And you receive 2 of these. So this castor oil pack has 6 packs in it. So this one is good for around your neck. And again, it has this side here. This is cotton. And then it also has this Velcro. So you just put it around your neck and you Velcro it on. So next in this pack, you have these 2 here. This one and this one. This one also has Velcro, but what I use this one for is for around my arms. I put this around my legs and my knees, especially like if I'm worked a whole bunch of days in a row and my knees kind of hurt. I put the castor oil on this side here and I secure this on my knee. And what I like about this particular set is it's plus size friendly. So let me show you. Okay, so I have this around my arm. Obviously, you wouldn't put this over your clothing. You would put this directly on your skin. But I have this one directly on my arm and it fits me. And you know, I'm plus size, so. So this one is for your abdomen and back. And what I like about it is it has this portion, it has this zipper portion here. If you want to use a hot or a cold pack, you will put that in here, zip it up, and put this around your stomach or your back. So let me show you. And then this, like I said, I am plus size. This fits me. So let me show you. Okay, so I have it on, so let me show you. See, it fits. It has this Velcro here, and what you do is you thread the Velcro into here, and then you loop it here, and then you secure it like that. So yeah, it fits. So obviously you would put this directly on your stomach instead of on your clothes like I'm doing in this video. So when I use these packs, again, I keep them on for like 45 minutes to an hour. And the thing I like most about it is you can wash them. I like that. So they are reusable. So like I said in other videos, I've been using the castor oil on my stomach. So with this pack, I'm able to put the castor oil on my stomach and secure it with this pack. I have more focused castor oil therapy. So there's another place in my body that I'm going to start using the castor oil on. Ever since I was little, like real little, I've always had super dry lips. And you know, obviously I put on chapstick. Right now I have on lipstick and lip gloss. But I'm like, I wonder if that castor oil will once and for all cure my dry lip issue. So I'm going to start that. And then I'm still using the castor oil up here on my eyebrows, my eyelashes, my hands, my stomach, and my thighs, legs, and feet. I haven't had any more skin irritation or breakouts since that first week I started using it when I had that interaction with my CPAP. I haven't had anything else like that. So I'm still going to continue to use the castor oil. I know a lot of people have said that they ingest it. I'm not going to do that. I'm not doing that. No, I just can't do it, guys. So, but if it works for you, go right ahead. For me, I'll take your word for it. But anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. And again, I love reading your comments about your experience with castor oil. So again, if you have any experience, good or bad, using a castor oil, put those in the comments. Thanks for watching.